Profit percentage is, this is for Karthik and Veda. Profit percentage is 8.33%. Cost price is 48. Find the selling price. Find the selling price. You have to be extremely good in fractions. That is the reason I have spent a lot of time. Now see here. These 1 by 12. Denominator is nothing but the initial value. Karthik and cost price is 12. Positive change. Profit is nothing but 1. Selling price is cost price plus profit. Which we discussed that final value is initial value plus positive change. Selling price will become 13. But according to the question, it is 48. 12 fours are 48. 13 fours are 52. 13 fours are 52. Karthik and Veda, I hope it is clear. Discount percentage is 28.5714. Discount percentage is 28.5714. This is nothing but 2 by 7. Discount means, okay, we will write down point. Profit or loss. Profit or loss. It is calculated on cost price. Profit or loss. It is calculated on cost price. Discount it is calculated on. Even markup also it is calculated on cost price. Discount is calculated on market price. Discount is calculated on market price. Denominator is the initial value 7. The price marked on the product is 7. I gave a discount of 2 to my friend. Selling price is 7 minus 2, 5. Market price is 350. 750s are 350. It is into 50. 5 into 50 is 250. 5 into 50 is 250. Right, Karthik? I hope it is clear. Profit and discount. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, next one. See here. Idea it is clear, right? Discount. Still we will solve a lot of problem. Just I gave a glimpse. Right? Because I told you percentage change. Next, fourth question. I will again come. R percentage is 16.67%. 1 year. In my 12 to 1 class, I will discuss for 2 years, 73 days and everything. R is 16.67. Principal is 360. Amount is how much? 2 years, 3 years, everything we will discuss. Don't miss any of the classes, sir. 16.67 is 1 by 6. 6 1 increase, it is 7. Initial value, it is nothing but principal. Final value, it is nothing but amount. Final value, it is nothing but amount. 6 became 360 into 60. 7 into 60 is 420. 7 into 60, it is nothing but 420. What if more than 1 year values are there? Let us get into the logic. Let us get into the logic. Fifth one. Length of a rectangle is increased by 20%. Breadth of a rectangle is increased by 25%. Find the percentage change in area of the rectangle. Find the percentage change in area of the rectangle. Find the percentage change in area of the rectangle. Area is nothing but L into B. L into B. So, first length is taken, then breadth is taken. 20% is 1 by 5. Initial value of the length is 5. There is 1 increase. So, it is 6. 25% 1 by 4. Initial value of the breadth is 4. There is 1 increase. So, it is 5. One after the other, fundamental principle of counting. First length is taken, then breadth is taken. What exactly I am doing is, area initial. Initial is nothing but 5 into 4. Area final. 5 became 6. 4 became 5. This is what I wrote it. This is a time waster for me. 5 cancel. 4 became 6. 4 became 6. There is an increase of 2 on 4. 1 by 2. Area is increased by 50%. Area is increased by 50%, right? I hope it is clear. 5 became 6, 4 becomes 5, 5 cancel, 4 is becoming 6, 4 is becoming 6, change is nothing but 2 on 4, 2 on 4 is nothing but 50%, change on 4 is nothing but 50%. There are few questions which are given in the question, Rakesh, right? What is that you are asking? What is 350? What is 350? 350 is given in the question. 350 MP is given in the question, right? Because it is a denominator 7, 7 will become 5. If the market price is 7, selling price is 5. In the question, it is given that it is 350. Why it is given? Then probably I only gave it because I like 350, right? I hope it is clear. Length. Slowly, basics onwards. Slowly, I will inject you concepts to an advanced level, right? The best thing about the class is, right after the class is there, if you see your notebook, revision will probably take 30 to 45 minutes time only, because everything is properly brick by brick, building by building, floor by floor, slowly, it is like taking a banana, removing it, right, coming to you, I am saying, please open your mouth and keeping it gently, softly, that easily I will go through it. I hope it is clear. Right? I hope it is clear. Fifth one. I hope how many are you are writing the notes, right? How many of you are writing the notes, and tell me whether one long notebook is it over or how many pages you did writing. I am sure your hands might be right paining after listening to my class. Kindly reply in the live chat if my assumption is a fact, right? How many of you are writing the notes? How many of you are writing the notes, and how many pages notes is over? How many pages notes is over? Right? Please avoid taking screenshot for every problem unless and until it is required. Do some pen pushing, sir. When you do some kind of pen pushing, it will be easy for you to assimilate. It. Fifth question. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply everybody if one long notebook is over or how many pages you wrote it from the time you filled the Google form. One random message you got it in the group saying that you will get some live classes, right? Last 4 to 5 days, not even 4 to 5 days, close to 6 to 7 days. I think today we are running placement session 13. Right? Placement session 13. Right? These notes will be extremely useful, sir. Ensure that all the topics you get that notes like this. Enrolled students, I forgot to tell you, you don't need to write the notes. Please go to ANC YouTube live class. These I gave only to enrolled students. ANC YouTube live classes. If you go to this subject, you will see Anil Nair's copyrighted classroom notes. Every topic, all the solved problems in Anil Nair's way. Number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths, data interpretation. Every topic. My classroom notes, PDF, it is kept to you, which is non-downloadable, which is encrypted. Please check it out. You will be extremely, right? Be delighted to see all the variety of problems. Anil Nair's copyrighted classroom notes. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? Narendra, please keep your question here. Right? Please keep your question here. Right? My response might be little late. Right? Why? Because half of my employees are on leave. They went to their native place fearing these COVID crisis and everything. So I am playing the job of a clerk, I am playing the job of a CEO, I am playing the job of a finance person. We are running with less resources because the area where our studio is there, Banjara Hills, there are some few cases. Right? Now see here. Now Narendra, keep your question here. Area we did it. Side of a square. increased by 40%. Side is increased by 40%. Area of a square. Slowly, problem by problem, I will take you to a very high level where you can start predicting the questions. Side of a square is 40%. 40% is 2 by 5. Initial side is 5. There is an increase of 2 on 5. Initially it is 5. There is an increase of 2 on 5. Area is side into side. 25 became 49. Increase is 24 on 25. This is initial value, this is final value. I told you that change is nothing but increase by initial value. It is into 100%. Answer is 96%. Answer is 96%. Idea is clear? Compound interest I will discuss in the next 12 to 1 class. I will take this enhancement of this topic. 25 and 49. Send it. If I can take that question, I will take it. Third one. Both are increased. We did it. My voice is little choked, sir. From last 48 hours I am not well. But I cannot cancel my classes. There are a lot of students who are dependent on my free classes. Third one. Price is increased by 40%. Consumption is decreased by 16.67%. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Price into consumption is expenditure. This is 40% is 2 by 5. 5 to increase, which is 7. This is 6 1 decrease symbol 5. 5 5 out. This is nothing but 6 becomes 7. 6 is becoming 7. There is an increase of 1 on 6. So answer is nothing but 16.67%. Price into consumption is expenditure. Price into consumption is expenditure. 40% is 2 by 5. On 5 to increase, which is 7. 6 1 decrease, it is nothing but 5. 5 5 cancel. 6 becomes 7. 6 is becoming 7, Shobita. 1 is increasing on 6, which is nothing but 16.67%. 16.67%. I hope it is clear, Shobita. Next one. Now, see here, sir. A into B equivalent to K. A into B equivalent to K. A and B values are given. A and B values are given. K change he is asking. K change he is asking. A and B values are given. K change he is asking. K change he is asking. What are the problems that we discussed? Length into breadth is area. Length into breadth is area. Side into side is square. These are the problems which we did till now. Price into consumption, it is expenditure. Price into consumption is expenditure. Price into consumption, this is nothing but expenditure. Speed into time, it is nothing but distance. Speed into time, it is nothing but distance. Men into days, it is nothing but work. Men into days, it is nothing but work. All these problems, when A and B are given, K change we have determined. K change we have determined. Suppose if 3 are given, A into B into C is given, C into B into C. Make these two, call it as D, C into D. Use it recursively. That also I will explain. Radius is 20%. Height is 16.67%. 16.67%. Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. No formulas, nothing. Volume is nothing but pi r square h. Pi into r into h. Pi is constant. 3 values are there. 20%, 1 by 5. 5 1 increase 6. Again R, 5 1 increase 6. H, 6 1 increase, it is 7. I hope it is clear. These for R, these for R, and these for H. Pi R square H. Now see here. Listen carefully. 6 and 6 can be eliminated. 5 5s are 25. 6 7s are 42. 25 became 42. 7 increase. 7 out of 25, which is nothing but 68%. The volume is increased by 68%. Volume is increased by 68%. I hope the idea it is clear. One more question we will solve. Right? 3 successive changes of 12.5% increase, 11.111% increase, 10% increase is equal to single dash percentage change, is equal to dash percentage change. 3 successive percentages of 12.5, 11.11, 10. 12.5 is 1 by 8. All are positive. 8 became 9. 11.11 is 1 by 9. 9 became 10. 10% is 1 by 10. 10 became 11. 10 became 11. So all are one after the other. I did it. 10 and 10 cancel. 9 and 9 cancel. 8 becomes 11. 8 became 11. There is a 3 on 8. Answer is nothing but 37.5%. 37.5%. So, suppose there is an initial value of the population. First year increase is 12.5. Second year increase is 11.11. Third year increase is 10. Overall, what is the increase? 12.5 is 1 by 8. 8 1 increase 9. 9 1 increase 10. 10 1 increase 11. 10 10 cancel. 9 9 cancel. Rakesh. 8 becomes 11. 8 became 11. There is an increase of 3 on 8. Answer is nothing but 37.5%. 37.5%. Next one. Right? Now see here. A sold a product to B at 20% profit. B sold a product to C at 16.67% product. Right? Final value. C purchased it for 280. What is the initial value? A bought it for. A bought it for. 20% is 1 by 5. 5 became 6. 16.67 is 6 became 7. 6 6 cancel. 5 becomes 7. 7 is nothing but final value into 40, 280. 5 into 40 is nothing but 200. 5 into 40 is nothing but 200. Easy question. Still I will do some more questions. Right? Next one. 3 successive discounts of 10%, 11.11%, 12.5% is equal to single discount of dash percentage is equal to single discount of dash percentage. What do you mean by discount? The price marked on the water bottle is 10. I sold it for 8. I sold it for 8. I am losing money, right? Discount means I am losing money. Discount means I am losing money. If I am losing money, obviously it will be down. It will be down and it will be down. Discount is nothing but market price minus selling price. Market price minus selling price. 10% down. It is 1 by 10 down. 10 1 decrease. It is 9. 11.11% down, which is 1 by 9. 9 1 decrease 8. 12.5% down, 1 by 8. 8 1 decrease 7. So these are nothing but 9 9 8 8. 10 to 7. 10 to 7. 10 is becoming 7. There is a decrease of 3 on 10, which is nothing but 30%. There is a decrease of 30%. Discount is market price minus selling price. Market price minus selling price. Right? I hope the idea it is clear. Percent. Per is for, cent is nothing but every 100. If you are comparing every value with 100, then it is called percentage. A percentage is nothing but A by 100. A percentage is nothing but A by 100. Let us take fractions and percentages. There are some better methods if answer options are there. Assuming that answer options are not there, we will do fractions and percentage. 1 is nothing but 100 percentage. 100 by 100 is 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If it is fraction is there. If there is a fraction in the question, right, I need to convert into percentage. I will multiply by 100 percentage. 1 by 2 into 100 is nothing but 50 percentage. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 100 is 33.33 percentage. Right? Now, this is becoming a recurring decimal. I will come back to it. 2 by 3. 2 times 33.33. 66.66. Again, it is becoming recurring. The way I am explaining in the class, the same way write down in your notebook. Exactly same way write down in your notebook. 2 by 3, 66.66. Next, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100 is 25 percentage, which is terminating decimal. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 3 by 4. 3 times 1 by 4. 3 times 25 is 75. This is a terminating decimal. D is a terminating decimal. The one where I kept a star mark, it is nothing but a recurring decimal. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 100 is 20 percentage. 2 by 5 into 100 is 40 percentage. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 100 is 60 percentage. 4 by 5 into 100 is 80 percentage. All are terminating decimals. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16.6666 percentage. Again, it is a recurring decimal. The value is getting repeated. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 6. 1 is 100 percentage. These 16.66. These nothing but 83.33333 percentage. Anything where I am keeping star mark, they are all nothing but a recurring decimal. I will come to the point after I explain everything. What is the difference between the star mark and an arrow? These are all terminating decimals. These are all terminating decimals. These are all terminating decimals. Anything which I kept in star mark, it is nothing but a recurring decimal. 5 by 6 is 83.33 percentage. Right? Now, the most important percentage. Listen carefully, sir. Now, listen carefully. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 2 by 7. 3 by 7. 4 by 7. 5 by 7. And 6 by 7. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. All will give you recurring decimals, right? What recurring is nothing but repetition. I'll write down that point after this one. 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. It's very, very easy to remember. If 1 by 7 is there, for me to convert into percentage, I will multiply by 100. 100 divided by 7. 7 14s are 98. Dot, it is nothing but 20. 7 2s are 14, 60. 7 8s are 56, and so on. This process will carry. You don't need to do all this. Now see here. Answer is nothing but 14.2857. Answer is nothing but 14.2857. How you got 14.2857? By dividing 100 by 7. Now, listen carefully. How to determine 2 by 7? Take the numerator 2, multiply by 10. What is 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. How many times maximum it is going in 20? 2 times it is going. Where is the digit? Here. How many times it is going? 2 times. Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. 28.5714. 28.5714. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. 3 multiply by 10. 3 tens are 30. How many times 7 goes in 30? 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. How many times it is going? 4. How many times it is going? And the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. I kept star mark. It is a recurring decimal. Recurring is nothing but repetition. The digits are getting repeated. 4 by 7. Take the numerator 4. Multiply by 10. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes how many times? 5 times. 5 and the next digit 57.1428 percentage. 57.1428 percentage. 5 by 7. Take the numerator 5. Multiply by 10. 5 tens are 50. 7 goes how many times? 7 times. Where is the digit here? 7. Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in a serial order. Remaining digits in a serial order. 6 by 7. Take the numerator 6. Multiply by 10. 6 tens are 60. 7 goes how many times? 8 times. 85.7142. 85.7142. I hope the logic is clear. All you have to do is just to find out 1 by 7 value and the same digits are repeated. Same digits are repeated. Again I am saying for the second time. 2 by 7. Take the numerator 2. 2 goes multiply by 10. I ideally have to multiply by 200. I will get 7 28s are 196. So if I multiply by 10, same value I will get. 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14, right? So 2 and the next digit 28.5714. I hope everybody understood the mnemonic to find out these values. 3 by 7. 3 tens are 30. 7 goes how many times? 4 times. 42.8571. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this logic is clear to you. If this logic is clear to you, kindly reply. If this logic is clear to you, kindly reply. Again I am repeating one last time. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. 3 tens are 30. 7 goes how many times in 30? 4 times. Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. Remaining digits in the serial order. 7 fives are 35. 5 and 7.1428. 142857. These digits are getting repeated. There is a 6-digit number which will have leftmost one. This is multiplied by 3. If I multiply this by 3, I will get another 6-digit number where the rightmost is 1. Let this number, I will call it as P. Let this number, I will call it as P. Let this number, I will call it as Q. Let this number, I will call it as Q. Question is, find the digital sum of P. Find the digital sum of P. Most of the students took a lot of time to solve this question, but actually it's an easy question. 3, 5, 7 and 9. 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1 A, B, C, D, E. Number, I will call it as P. There is a 6-digit number where the leftmost is 1. The number is multiplied by 3. I will get another 6-digit number where leftmost one became the rightmost one. Remaining 5 digits remain as it is. So what is the digital sum of the number P? Listen carefully, sir. One beautiful way to solve this problem is, what is the digital sum of these number? Right? Digital sum is nothing but 1 plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E. What is the digital sum of this number? This is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus 1. Can I say that this number digital sum is same, only the order of the variables is changed. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is same as 3 plus 2 plus 4. So, the first observation is digital sum of P is equivalent to digital sum of Q. I hope it is clear. Digital sum of P is equivalent to digital sum of Q. First option 3. If I substitute 3 into 3, 9. 3 and 9 are not same. 5. 5 3s are 15. These question digital sum and these answer digital sum. They both should be same. 5 is not possible. 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 plus 1 3. Not possible. If I take 9. 9 3s are 27. 2 plus 7 9. Answer is nothing but 9. This question can be solved in 5 seconds if you look at the question through a different prism altogether. These digital sum and these digital sum both are same. From where I got this idea? Because he is asking the question, find the digital sum. So what I did is, I checked it out, what is the digital sum of P. Then I realized that digital sum of P and digital sum of Q, just the order of the variables is changed. Just the order of the variables is changed. So digital sum of P and digital sum of Q, they both are same. Digital sum of P and digital sum of Q, they both are same. I hope the idea it is clear. They both are same. The first point. They both are same. Another way to look at it is, now think logically, method number 2. Method number 2. 1 A, B, C, D, E into 3. Another is finding the values A, B, C, D, E ending with 1. E is a variable. E multiplied by 3, I should get 1. Which value E will take? E is 1. 1 3s are 3. E is 2. 2 3s are 6. E is 7. 3 7s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 2 carried. Here it is 7. Like that, you have to find out the values of A, B, C, D. Don't use this method. This is a cumbersome method. Method number 3. Just now we discussed 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.2857. 3 by 7 is nothing but 42.8571. 42.8571. Now if you observe, listen carefully, sir. This is a very beautiful one. This is a 6-digit number where the leftmost is 1. 1 by 7 became 3 by 7. I multiplied by 3. I got another 6-digit number where the leftmost one became the rightmost one. Remaining digits remain as it is. I hope it is clear. Exactly, that is the reason I took this question. So 142857. Exactly, if you solve it, you will get the same answer. 142857. 142857. What will be the value? 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 8 20. 22 26 27. 2 plus 7, what is the digital sum? 9. I hope just that based upon 1 by 7, 3 by 7 logic, I developed this question so that students will understand 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.2857. 2 by 7, take the numerator, multiply by 10. 2 tens are these for you, Rakesh. Right? 2 tens are 20. 7 twos are 14. 28.5714. Take how many times it is going in 20. Write down the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. 3 by 7. 3 tens are 30. Answer is 42.8571. 3. Rakesh, one more example. 3 tens are 30. 7 goes 4 times in 30. 4 times and the next digit 42.8571. I hope the idea it is clear. Now write down. Now write down. If P is a prime number. If P is a prime number. If P is a prime number. 1 by P is a recurring decimal. 1 by P is a recurring decimal. Is a recurring decimal when P is not equivalent to 2, 5. when p is not equivalent to 2 comma 5, or powers of 2 and 5, right? 1 by p, please write down this point, sir. 1 by p, sorry. When 1 by p, it is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal when p is equivalent to 2 comma 5 or powers of 2 or powers of 2 comma 5 and 2 and 5. Please make a note of it, sir. 1 by p is a recurring decimal when p is not equivalent to 2 comma 5. 1 by p is a terminating decimal when p is 2 comma 5 or powers of 2, 5, 2 and 5. Suppose if it is 1 by 7, p is not equivalent to 2 comma 5. Exactly this will give you a recurring decimal. The digits will get repeated. Suppose if it is 1 by 50, it is there. 1 by 50 is 1 by 2 into 5 square. This is a combination of 2 and 5. So this will give you terminating decimal. He will ask you which of the fractions will give you terminating or a recurring decimal. Suppose if it is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is combination of 2 and 3. If the denominator, only when it is a combination of 2 and 5. Only when it is a combination of 2 and 5, you will get the answer. Either only 2 or only 5 or only 2 and 5. I will get a terminating decimal. In all the other cases, I will get a recurring decimal. 3 is present. So if the denominator contains a prime number other than 2 and 5, what is the answer I will get? Recurring decimal I will get. A recurring decimal I will get. Please take a screenshot of this extremely important key point. If p is a prime number, under what cases I will get a recurring decimal? Under what cases I will get a terminating decimal? 1 by 21. It is 3 into 7. Denominator is other than 2 and 5. So this will give you answer recurring decimal. This will give you answer recurring decimal. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Most of the concepts you will not find in the regular textbook and you know it very well. No repeat telecast. 2 into 5 square terminating decimal. Now let us solve a question. I hope right now you have understood the importance of a star mark. Which of the following are terminating or recurring decimals? Which of the following are terminating or recurring decimals? 5 questions we will solve under this category. Right? When you take a fraction can result in a terminating or recurring. 7 by 45, 9 by 32, 13 by 65, 93 by 19, 432 by 123, 432 by 123, 123. Listen carefully, sir. You can also take one more thing. 17 by 222. 17 by 222. Which of the following are terminating or a recurring decimal? Only attack the denominator. Denominator, it is 9 into 5, 3 square into 5. Only it should be combination of 2 and 5 or 2 or 5. So, these are nothing but recurring decimal. These are nothing but recurring decimal. 32 is 2 power 5. These are nothing but a terminating decimal. These are nothing but a terminating decimal. 65 is 5 into 13. 5 into 13. 13 is a prime number. So, other than 2 and 5, these are nothing but a recurring decimal. 19 is a prime number. So, these are nothing but a recurring decimal. These are nothing but a recurring decimal. Please put a star mark on both of these. Both of these are Both of these are exam related questions. Only the values I changed. The concept I will discuss right now. 432 by 123, 123, 17 by 222, 17 by 222. Now see here. Please write down, sir. Note, these both are examination question. Let us discuss a concept. Concept. Suppose if I say reminder 1, 10 cube divided by 7, 10 cube divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, remainder is 3, 3 cube is 27, 27 divided by 7, 27 divided by 7, right? 1 minute. Sriram is telling third one is a terminating decimal, third one, right? Okay. Third one, please change the question to 23 by 65. I am taking the numbers where numerator and denominator are co-prime to each other. In hurry, I took it as 13, right? We are taking the cases where the numerator and denominator are co-prime beta. In hurry, I took it as 13 and 65, right? These both are not co-prime. Please change the question to 23. Thank you for correcting, right? 23, right? Please change it to 23 by 65. 23 by 65. All the numbers, whatever I am taking, thank you Sriram for pointing out the mistake. Write 23 by 65. Now, see the logic. 23 by 65. That variety we will solve little later. First, we are discussing the questions where the fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. First case, I am still in the first case. Numerator and denominator are co-prime to each other. Second case, numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. So, we are still in the case number 1. What do you mean by co-prime? HCF of the numerator and denominator, it is nothing but 1. HCF of numerator and denominator, it is nothing but 1. So, we will solve this case. Let me do it in the next slide. Remainder 1, 10 power 3 divided by 7. Listen carefully. 7 ones are 7, right? Remainder 3. 3 cube is 27. 27 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28. Negative remainder is minus 1. Next one. Remainder 1. 10 cube divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Yesterday we discussed remainder all the 5 varieties. Remainder 10 cube divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Minus 3 cube. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Minus 27 divided by 13. 13 twos are 26. Remainder 1. So minus 1. I got the case minus 1, and minus 1. For which all numbers I got? 7, 11 and 13. Suppose if the question is remainder 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7. Can I write it as 1, 2, 3 into 10 cube plus 123 divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7 is minus 1. Minus 123 plus 123. What will be the answer? 0. Minus 123 plus 123. What will be the answer? 0. Please write down these extremely important point. Any three-digit number written even number of times. Any three-digit number written even number of times. Any three-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13 and also it's a combination. 7 11s are 77. 7 13s are 91. 11 13s are 143. 7 into 11 into 13, which is nothing but 1001. Very, very important point. Please make a note of it. Any three-digit number Any 3-digit number written even number of times, it is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. 7, 11 and 13 and its multiple 7 into 11, 7 into 13, 11 into 13 and 7 into 11 into 13. I hope the proof is clear. Now 432 divided by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-digit number written 2 times. So that means it is divisible by 7, 11, 13. Denominator is a prime number other than 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5. So answer is, it will give a recurring decimal. It will give a recurring decimal, right? You make it into 431, sir. Otherwise again it will become multiple of 3. Change the question to 431. I hope the idea is clear. Again, we will mix case number 2. I don't want to do it. 431. If I take 432, it will be divisible by 3. These also divisible by 3. I don't want to do it. 431. Make a change. 431 by 123, 123. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13, 77, 91, 143 and 1001. Numerator and denominator are co-prime to each other. Next one. Suppose see here. Another way, this was asked in one examination. Let us do just one more. Divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for 99, 101. Divisibility rule for 99, 101. All these are useful in your right calculation things. That also we will see. Divisibility rule for 99 and 101. These are nothing but 10 square divided by 101. 100 divided by 101. It is minus 1. Suppose if the question is, instead of 3-digit number, if it is a 2-digit number, 1212 divided by 101. These are nothing but 12 into 10 square plus 12 divided by 101. 100 divided by 101. It is minus 1. Minus 12 plus 12. It is nothing but 0. Another very important point. Any 2-digit number written even number of times. Any 2-digit number written even number of times. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. Please write down this point. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. For example, 73 divided by 1212. 73 divided by 1212. Question is, we have to check whether it is terminating or recurring. 1212. Any 2-digit number written even number of times. It is divisible by 101. It is a prime number. So answer for this question is recurring decimals. Recurring decimals. Most of the teachers ignore telling how to solve terminating and recurring. We are so habituated only finding this one, right? This is a 4th class concept, right? Only they will discuss these varieties, right? But there is a huge concept that is there. 73 divided by 1212. I hope this is also clear, right? When time permits, I will discuss 19 and 37 at the end. Just we will park that. Now, because Sri Ram has identified that 13 by 65, let us take some kind of questions. 17 by, for example, 7225. 68 divided by 7225. What if the numbers are not co-prime to each other? 68 divided by 7225. These are nothing but 17 into 4. These are nothing but 85 into 85. 85 into 85. 17 ones are, 17 fives are. So these are nothing but 4 divided by 5 into 17. Right? Denominator contains 17 as a prime number. So answer is nothing but it is a recurring decimal. We are discussing the case where numerator and denominator. We are discussing the case where numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. We are discussing a case where numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. Suppose one more example. Another example. 87 divided by 3364. These 29 threes are these 58 into 58. So these nothing but 29 twos are these nothing but 3 by 2 into 29. 29 is a prime number other than 2 and 5. These are all nothing but a recurring decimal. These are all nothing but a recurring decimal. I hope this concept is clear. If a fraction is given to you, which has numerator and denominator, which one will be recurring? Which one will be terminating? I am sure right now you will be able to identify it after knowing this concept. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear. Recurring decimal and terminating decimal. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you with an yes. If it is not clear to you, kindly ask me a doubt. Kindly ask me a doubt. I will be very happy to help your doubt. Right? Generally, it is said that in online, doubts cannot be asked, but each and every student's valid doubt, I will personally call their name and I will explain the doubt. 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is 3 into 12.5 percentage, which is 37.5 percentage. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 5 by 8. 5 into 12.5, which is nothing but 62.5 percentage. 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 7 by 8 is 7 into 12.5. It is nothing but 87.5 percentage. 1 by none. When you are learning a subject, learn it from the experts, sir. Right? Just don't ensure that you know everything in detail, because the investment which you are making today, tomorrow probably you can take tuitions also and reap the benefits. Right? You can probably, I would be happy if you start your channel and start teaching maths. I would be happy if you share my content and earn money. Right? I want each one of you to grow. Right? 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9 till 8 by 9. 1 by 11, 2 by 11 and so on up to 10 by 11. 9 means recurring decimal. 11 means recurring decimal. Remember World Trade Center collapse. 9 by 11. USA emergency number is 911. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 2 by 9, 2 times 11, 22.22. Repetition will happen. 3 times 11, 33.33. 4 by 9, 4 times 11, 44.44. 8 by 9, 8 times 11, 88.88. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator. This is the mnemonic. Take the numerator, multiply by 11 and write down twice. And write down twice. And write down twice. Reverse is also true. If the denominator is 11, take the numerator, multiply by 9, write down twice. 2 times 9 is 18.18. 2 times 9 is 18.18. 2 times 9 is 18.18. 3 times 9 is 27.27. 4 times 9 is 36.36. 10 times 9 is 90.90. 9 and 11 are together. Mnemonic is World Trade Center collapse day, which is 9 by 11, or USA emergency number. USA emergency number, it is 911. USA emergency number is 911. I hope it is clear. 9 and 11. 9 and 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Some more important fractions. Please write down. 1 by 12. I will group the same values which are together. 1 by 12, 1 by 17. Next is 1 by 13. Next is 1 by 18. I will group the values where probably you can remember it better. 1 by 20, 1 by 21. Write down as it is, sir. Between 20 and 30, what are the prime numbers? 23 and 29. Next is 1 by 24. With practice, you can easily execute these values. Please write down. I am grouping it so that it will be easy for you to analyze it. 1 by 12, 1 by 17. Right? 1 by 12, 1 by 17, 1 by 13, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 29. Now, 24, 25, 26, 27. Which one is easy to compute? 1 by 25, which is 4%. Remaining all go together with a deviation of 0.15. Which a deviation of 0.15. The value in the denominator is decreasing, the fraction will increase. It is minus 0.15, this is minus 0.15. It will go together with a deviation of plus or minus 0.15. It will go with a deviation of plus or minus 0.5. Similarly, 1 by 20 is 5%. These quadruple go together with a deviation of 0.25. If the denominator value decreases, the value will increase. This is 5.25. This is nothing but 5.5. This is nothing but 4.75. 4.75. Because it is asked in the examination, we are trying to find out a way where we can probably spend less time and remember it effectively. 23 and 29. 23 and 29 are two prime numbers. 29 goes how many times in 100? 3 times. After 3, write down the next two natural numbers. 3.45. 23 is interchange these 3 and 4. Interchange these 3 and 4. 12 and 17. 12 goes 8 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. 1 plus 2 is 3. Write down twice. 17 goes 5 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. Same logic. 1 plus 7 is 8. Otherwise, you will multiply by 100 and complicate your life. 13. 13 goes 7 times in 100. Either write 7.7 or if you want the exact values, 13 goes 7 times in 100. 13 square is 169. This is the most nearest answer. Anyway, this will give you a repeating decimals. So, it will get repeated. So, I approximated it to 7.7. Please put a star mark on this. Please put a star mark on this. 1 by 12. Again, I am repeating. 12 and 17 are one basket. 12 goes 8 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. 17 goes 5 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. 18, 19, 20, 21. Base is nothing but 1 by 20. Remaining all go together with a deviation of 0.25. 24, 25, 26, 27. They all go together with a deviation of 0.15. They all go together with a deviation of 0.15. I hope it is clear, right? Very, very important. But in your examinations, like we did a time and most frequent values, high frequency fractions, we are assuming that answer options are not there. If answer options are there, we will play around with a different logic. These 1 by 8, very important. 1 by 6, very important. 1 by 7, very important. 9 and 11, extremely important. 1 by 4 or 5, extremely important. 12 and 17, extremely important. Right? Please make a note, sir. Right? So, these are the high frequency words. What are high frequency? Where good number of questions are using these values. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. These 16.6%. These 14.2857%. These 11.11 or 9.09 are its multiples. 1 by 4, 25. 1 by 5, 20. It is 8.33. or 5.88. 5.88. High frequency. Sometimes in the question, he will ask you these questions also. Let us see. What is that he will ask? Suppose, for example, 15 by 8. 15 by 8 is nothing but 2 minus 1 by 8. 200 percentage minus 12.5 percentage, which is 187.5 percentage. Next is 13 by 7. Questions can also be when the numerator is greater than denominator. 1 plus 6 by 7. 1 is 100 percentage. These is nothing but 85.7142 percentage. Or it could be 125 percentage. 125, it is 5 by 4. Right? 1 plus 1 by 4, which is 125 percentage. These is nothing but 314.2857. These is nothing but 300 percentage plus 14.2857 percentage. These is nothing but 3 plus 1 by 7. You need to be extremely quick in converting the percentages into fractions. Till here, any doubts? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Now we have seen the introduction of percentages. Now we will get into problems. Please, everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Yes, if it is clear to you. Or in case if you got a doubt, please mention your doubt. Now, next I will keep solving some 15 to 20 or probably greater than 20 problems with one concept. One concept I will solve it. Everybody kindly reply in case you got any doubt. Kindly reply, sir, in the live chat. Everybody kindly reply. Next concept will be amazing, sir. You will fall in love in the way of solving, where we will determine 1.03 power 12 in less than 30 seconds. We will do a speed calculation values by using percentages. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Now, please write down. Right? Now, percentage increase or percentage decrease concept. Percentage increase or percentage decrease concept. Right? Or we will call it as change concept. Right? Suppose, see here. This is percentage increase. Percentage increase is given at percentage increase is given as numerator by denominator. Denominator is always nothing but the initial value. Numerator is nothing but the change. Because it is increase. These is nothing but the increase. Always in percentage increase, denominator is always the initial value. So, final value is nothing but denominator plus numerator. Final value is nothing but denominator plus numerator, which is nothing but initial value plus increase. Please write down. Not a single formula we will use in SICI and profit, loss and discount. Solve every problem through a particular theme. Next one. Percentage decrease. If in fraction it is given as numerator by denominator. Denominator is always the initial value. Numerator is nothing but the change. Change is nothing but decrease here. So, final value is nothing but denominator minus numerator, because final value is nothing but initial value minus decrease. Final value is nothing but initial value minus decrease. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly take a screenshot of this, sir. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Percentage increase is numerator by denominator. Denominator is always the initial value. Numerator is always nothing but the change. Right? Final value is denominator plus numerator. Final value is denominator minus numerator, which is initial value minus decrease. Now, most important slide. Very, very important slide. Very, very important slide, sir. Suppose there is numerator by denominator. This is initial value. This is nothing but change. Change could be either a positive or a negative. Change could be either a positive or a negative. Initial value, it could be cost price. It could be market price. It could be principal. Only the naming changes. That's all. Initial value, it is either cost price or market price or principal. Change could be either a profit if it is positive, or it is a loss if it is negative, right? Or it is nothing but interest. Or it is nothing but interest. Name will change, that's all. Final value, it could be selling price. It could be selling price. It could also be cost price if I use markup. Right? It is nothing but amount. Please make a note of it, sir. If you understand this single slide, probably 70% of the SICI questions and profit, loss and discount can be solved using a single theme, right? These are nothing but, if I call it as percentage change, if I call this value as percentage change, that also we will write it. These percentage change could be either it could be profit percentage, or it could be loss percentage, or it could be compound interest, or it could be markup percentage, or it could be discount percentage, or this could be rate of interest. Please take a screenshot of it. No need to remember anything else if you know these concepts. If a change is given in the question, change can be converted into a fraction. Numerator by denominator. Denominator, it is the initial value. Denominator, it is the initial value. Initial value can be either a cost price. On cost price, if I apply profit, I will get selling price. On cost price, if I apply loss, I will get selling price. Right? On principal, if I apply interest, I will get amount. On market price, if I apply discount, I will get selling price. On market price, if I apply markup percentage, I will get cost price. So, anything, you don't need to use from now onwards these formulae. These formulae can be eliminated. From now onwards, none of the Anil Nair classes students will use this or this SP equivalent to MP into 1 minus discount percentage, or CP equivalent to market price into 1 plus markup percentage. Nothing is needed, sir. Amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R percentage N. N could be number of years, number of days. All are easy. No need of using any of these formulas. Absolutely no formulas in our class. We will understand every concept through a lot of logics. We will understand every problem. right? If you are using it, then probably you are an R.S. Agarwal Bhakt, and if you think that you will get into bank or the CAT examination through that, I'm sorry, you are going to fail miserably, right? There is a difference between a formula-based student and a logic-based student. In your class only, there will be few students who mug up everything and get 90+%, cut, copy, paste material, right? But these people probably in the interview, they will not do it. There are some students in your class who get about 70, 75. Entire class knows that these guys or girls are probably good in a lot of better things. Either it shows in their personality, or probably they are well versed with great schooling or great reading. They know that marks do not define success, right? So these are the students. These are the students, if somebody asks, what is the gas that is used in gas balloon? They will mug it up as helium. These are the students who will ask the question, why helium can be used as an gas in the gas balloon? So this kind of students are the students who will go very hard in life. Somewhere, if you think that, if anybody is watching this video, and if you think that becoming college topper with 95% using mugging is a celebration for you, then probably you are little narrow-minded. Your celebration is even getting 95%, but with logic. In an external examination, if a person asks a question, you should explain in the way that you have understood it. You should write your exams in a way that you have understood it. If that is not moving in the direction, I have seen some of the brightest students from NIT Warangal. They are shit. That means they got 8.5 or an 8.7 CGPA, right? But in comes to work, they do not know the relationship skills. They do not know how to get the work done by winning the hearts of the people. Their communication itself is extremely rough. People will go away from you, sir. People will go away from you, right? Just with, there are few students, right? The way they ask something, requesting for a class link, the way they use English is pathetic. Hey, send me class link, right? I'm waiting for it, right? Please don't do that. You should know how to speak politely. If you do not know how to speak politely with the people who are senior to you, then there is a very serious problem with you or with the parenting that your family has done for you, right? I am not doing any favor to anybody. I am not dependent on anybody. I will take my class very sincerely and I will go ahead, right? I tell my employees, right, do your job extremely sincere and ensure that a day will come in your life. Money, power, fame, position. Money, power, fame, position. These four are called materialistic success. Earning more money, becoming famous. Shah Rukh Khan comes to a coffee with Karan with a torn jeans, and the next day that jeans will be sold for in hundreds and everything. Fame, what a fame can do. Position, ask any politician, right? Uneducated, illiterate, surrounded by an IIM graduates. That is the power of getting a position. Money, power, fame, position, right? Power, what a power can do. Ask your principals or ask a company's HR. They will either tell you no or not. These four is not complete success. Now you are all in 21, 22. A day will come in your life where you will realize is, right, how you probably are liked by people around. The true definition of a manager is, right, talking as per the context, raising voice when it is needed, when you repeatedly tell someone, do this, and it crosses a limit, telling them politely. If you see, the greatest success of Bahubali, for me, probably, I would say that it could be a Rajamouli's direction, but there is a hidden person who has done so beautifully. 5,000 employees working on a day in Ramoji Film City when a battle is going on. Go out and see the managerial skills of that Srivalli, right? She handles everyone so beautifully, right? Always remember, sir, team is not together, everyone achieves more. Team is together, everybody achieves miracles. So all the students who are little impolite, write with me, nothing I am doing, I am just blocking them. They will not even get any of the class links. Any of the class links, right? Because that's how, right? My father used to say that if you are put leg on leg, if a guest comes, he used to come and slap me. Even though he is uneducated, illiterate, he says, right? Learn all this, how to respect it. I am not complaining, I am not scolding. I am telling you people to correct yourself in case if you have personality issues. There are some people who are short-tempered. They will throw everything. In your home, it might work, right? But in office, people will not listen to your anger. They will tell you, thank you very much, go away. In your class, have you seen few people who is probably a topper but not liked by everybody? In your class, have you seen some people who probably has got backlogs because they are not good in studies, but they are loved by everybody? When they need a help, 20 people will come to their rescue. Start getting liked by people. Win the hearts of the people. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? In case if you are not good in English, whenever you are typing, especially the people in corporates or your teachers, when you are writing a message, please read it once before clicking on the send button. Before clicking on the send button, go back and see my last message. Please WhatsApp me only if you think that I can add value to your preparation. As simple as that. You have to come to me and say, I need your help. I cannot keep on, right, telling you, please do it and everything. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? Go behind these logics, sir. Right? If you think that marks are giving you success, you are in a myopic world. World does not work like that. You will realize it. A day will come where most of the students, if you become jobless, if you go for companies, you will realize, right, how corporate politics will happen, corporate ethical values, if you do not follow, what is the repercussion, everything you will learn, right? Problems. Problems. Please write down. Problems. First problem. Profit percentage is 14.2857. Listen carefully, sir. Selling price is 240. Find the cost price. Profit percentage is 14.2857. Selling price is 240. Find the cost price. D is nothing but 1 by 7. Denominator is nothing but the initial value. Cost price 7. Numerator is nothing but the change. Profit is 1. Selling price is cost price plus profit. It is 8. But according to the question, it is 240. 8 into 30, 240. 7 into 30 is 210. I hope the idea, it is clear. I will do few problems, then I'll take up some doubts. Profit percentage is 14.2857. Selling price is 240. Cost price. Next one. Loss percentage is. Write down in the same order, sir. I have created my own structure to teach aptitude. I will go in that structure. And I believe that structure is probably will help every possible idea. Loss percentage is 12.5 percentage. This is 1 by 8. Cost price is 8. Loss is 1. Selling price is 7. Let me take cost price as 120. One value will be given. 120. 8 15s are 120. 7 15s are 105. 7 15s are 105. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Next one. Now see here, sir. Entire profit, loss and discount can be written in the slide. The price at which the product is purchased. Cost price, which is nothing but the purchasing price. Which is nothing but the purchasing price. The price at which the product is sold. Selling price. Selling price. The price which is marked on the product, which is marked price. There are only 3 prices which comes in your examination. which is purchasing price, selling price and market price. Listen carefully. Oh, entire PLD can be done. If I call it as 1, if I call it as 2, if I call it as 3, 2 minus 1, this is nothing but profit. If you get a negative, that is nothing but loss. Loss is nothing but negative. Loss is nothing but negative. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Suppose the price marked on this bottle is 20 rupees. My friend came. It is marked 20 rupees. I sold it for 15 rupees. Discount I gave 5 rupees. This is nothing but discount. This is nothing but discount, which is market price minus selling price. This is nothing but SP minus CP. If I take this with this, which is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but markup. Markup is market price minus cost price. Entire profit, loss and discount, there are 3 values, profit or loss, then there is a discount and then there is markup. Why these 3 or 4 percentages came? Profit percentage, if it is negative, loss percentage, just we gave a names to it, that's all. Next is discount percentage and next is markup percentage. 3 prices are there, 3 changes are markup percentage. 3 changes are markup percentage. Cost price, selling price and market price. Please make a note of it, sir. Cost price, it is the price at which the product is purchased. Selling price is the price at which the product is sold. Market price is the price which is marked on the product. There are 3 prices: cost price, selling price and market price. You take any 2 difference, you will get a percentage change. You will get a percentage change. 2 minus 1, I will get profit or loss. 3 minus 2, I will get discount. 3 minus 1, I will get markup. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Kindly take a screenshot of it. No need to mug up anything. No need to markup. Markup is nothing but. Suppose, see here Rakesh, this water bottle is there. There is no price marked on the water bottle. I went to a nearby shop. I bought this water bottle at 20 rupees. What is the price at which I purchased? 20 rupees. There is no price marked on it. I came to my business shop. I attached my own seal. With markup 30. At what price I purchased? 20. At what price I marked it right now? 30. 30 and 20. What is the change? Change is nothing but markup, beta. Change is nothing but markup. Change is nothing but markup. Change is nothing but markup. I hope it is clear. Yes, Karthik, Veda, I will repeat the question again. Sravya, I missed the doubt. 222 is Savya, it is 2 into 111. 222 is nothing but Sravya. I think I did not solve the question. It is 2 into 111. It is 3 into 37. 3 and 37 are prime numbers. So, therefore, the answer is, it is a recurring decimal.